Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take screenshots without using buttons on the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to find out about gesture screenshots, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down and go to additional settings, and then go to gesture shortcuts. Over here we have two options that might be interesting to you. The first one is, of course, take a screenshot that allows you to slide 3 fingers down on the screen in order to take a full screenshot. Of course, this slider enables and disables this feature, so you want to make sure that this option is enabled. And then you also have the partial screenshot, which works in a similar way. However, you can choose the size of the screenshot and what you want to actually capture from the screen. And in order to do that, instead of swiping down, you want to pretty much press and hold on the screen with your 3 fingers. Of course, this also can be turned on and off. So now let me demonstrate how it works. So if you want to capture the full screenshot, you can use 3 fingers, swipe it down like so on the screen, and now we have captured the screenshot. And if you want to take a partial screenshot, press and hold 3 fingers on your screen, and then you can use your finger in order to select the size. Of course, you can reposition and resize the screenshot. Once you are done, at the bottom you have these options, of course. Once you are done, you have save, and there we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.